How to fix WhatsApp status could not send problem. Hello everyone, I am Shaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First things first, go ahead and check your internet connection and make sure that you are connected to a proper working internet connection, and if not, then you can switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, and also go a step back and toggle on the toggle button for airplane mode for the time being, and then toggle it off after 10 to 20 seconds, and this might help you in resolving your issue. If not, then go ahead and force quit WhatsApp along with all the apps running in the background. So swipe up on your home screen and force quit WhatsApp and see if that helps. And if not, then you can go ahead and check for WhatsApp server status, as sometimes the issue could be with the server. See if that helps you in fixing your issue, and if not, then open App Store on your device and then tap on the search bar and search for WhatsApp and make sure that your WhatsApp application is updated to its latest version, and if not, then go ahead and update your WhatsApp application. Also launch the settings application on your device and then tap on general and then on iPhone storage, and make sure that your iPhone has enough storage space, as if your device storage is full, then your iPhone can fail to upload the status. So you can go ahead and delete unnecessary files, photos, or apps. See if that helps, and if not, then also go ahead and ensure that the photo or the video that you send is supported by WhatsApp, as WhatsApp does not allow large videos and may need to be trimmed or compressed before uploading. And if your issue is not fixed yet, then open settings again and then tap on apps on the bottom right, and then tap on the WhatsApp option, and then go ahead and make sure that the permissions for photos, videos, and storage is enabled, and if not, then you can go ahead and enable these toggle buttons. Also, you can try to simply restart your iPhone, as a simple restart can fix temporary glitches affecting WhatsApp uploads. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix WhatsApp could not send problem. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.